Introduce highlight features and overview summary of AIWOIT Nano Mist Atomizer Sprayer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features and overview summary are included. Our spray fogger machine uses PA high temperature resistant material, fast fogging, and large fog volume makes it a perfect cleaning solution for every home or office. Porous heat dissipation, the device releases nano spray, and the fuselage intelligently dissipate heat. This spray gun is equipped with a USB cable and can be charged by a 5-volt charger. 2600 mAh large capacity lithium battery powered wireless nano steamer. 2 hours charge, continuous working time up to 3 hours. Cordless and lightweight, easy to carry and use. You can use it wherever you need it. The electric sprayer is equipped with an 800 ml empty bottle, which can be filled with water and any other liquid and can be used for cleaning on various occasions. Detachable copper nozzle and internal conduit are anti-clogging design. Our steam gun can adjust the amount of spray by turning the switch on the handle, meet different scenarios. 2 meters effective spray range. No preheating, fast spraying, low temperature atomization design. Our ULV fogger is lighter and quieter than other large sprayers. Easy to use with a 1-key start-stop button. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.